Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Rainbow Friends character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking green. And I'm gonna be speeding up my sketch again just so that we can get into the inking a little bit faster. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the shape of the eyes, which is going to be an egg shape, kind of a little bit slanted. So let's see, hopefully I can give myself enough room here. It's got those really long arms. So I'm just going to draw one egg shape here. So again, give it a little bit of a slant here. And then once you have that, I'm going to draw one more on this side. So it's pretty much the mirror image, the first eye. And then for this one, I'm just gonna have it look right at you. So I'm just gonna draw kind of like a little egg shape touching the edge here. And I'm gonna give him a little bit of a highlight here. And let me shade this in real quick, so we can see the eyes a lot better. Okay, so cool looking eyes, and once we have that, let's finish up the top of the head. Just one curve across. And then we're gonna come down here for the width of the head. So right on the bottom of the eye right here, I'm just gonna come down. And then now I'm gonna draw one curve all the way across, because his mouth is gonna be open. Okay, and then now for those cool looking teeth. Now I'm just gonna draw 4. I know he's got a lot of teeth, but I'll come simplify this a little bit more. So here's the center. I'm just gonna draw 1. Come over to this side. So I'm drawing a line right underneath the mouth there. And then just make this into like a sharp triangle right here on the side. Alright, so once we have this, I'm going to draw in the bottom portion of the mouth first. So I'm going to draw this curve on the bottom right here. So just come down, just give yourself some room, because we're going to have to draw more teeth, and then also for the tongue. Okay, so once we have this, let's draw in, I'm just going to draw in 2 right here. And then a smaller one right here. Okay, so now we have to draw in the tongue. So this part's a little bit tricky because it's inside here. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm just gonna draw this curve. Just go up. I'm gonna come all the way out. And then this part, just come across. And then now we're gonna come back in to right around here. Or if you like, we can actually start down here. Maybe that's a little bit easier. So it's going to squeeze through the teeth, and we're going to come out and just connect to that nice and wide. Okay, and if you want to make this a little bit more three-dimensional, we can actually draw one more line right here. This will be like the edge of the tongue. Okay, I know it's a little bit messy. Hopefully when we color this, we'll be able to see a little bit better. Okay, so now we're gonna just draw everything black here. So this is gonna curve in. I'm gonna connect to this. Okay, so it comes in and it goes back out. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see all this a little bit better, just like the eyes. And if you like, you can draw in a lot more teeth here, but just make sure you leave some room, in the middle so they can draw in the tongue. Might be a little bit more menacing if he has more teeth. Okay. Yeah, the Sharpie is pretty thick, so this tooth is almost gone. Alright, so let's continue this. Now for the bottom portion of the head. This one's easy. We're just gonna curve slightly down and then just round everything up. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the face, and then the body is really easy, right? Just little tubes. So we can just kind of draw in the main portion of the body right here first, and then we'll draw in the arm. So just come down. And you can make it longer if you like, but I don't have a lot of space here, so I'm just trying to squeeze everything in. And then let's draw in the legs first, because the legs are really simple. So now right here, we're just gonna make a turn. Just come out and just come down. Okay, and then once you have this curve, there's the foot. And then we're gonna come back up right here, but leave yourself some space here because we're gonna have to close this off. And then now I'm gonna come across. Just gonna give it a little bit of a curve, make it a little bit more interesting. Alright, and then let's see, let's come back up to the arms. Got those really long arms. And I'm not gonna make it as long because again, I don't have a lot of space, but if you wanna make it any kind of, any kind of direction, that's fine too. So I'm just gonna follow this. Right here's the shoulder. I'm just gonna have it curve down and then just come back up. And again, it's really up to you. So whatever you draw on this line, we're just gonna give it some thickness here all the way around. And then for the hand, it's really simple. So we'll just go straight first on both sides. We're gonna come in, draw one finger, and then one more here. So now whatever space here, or actually you can come across here, draw a line like that. That might be a little bit easier. And then just connect to this. So that'll give you all the fingers. Alright, so let's see, for this arm here, I'm gonna change it a bit because I don't want to run into this drawing like I did last time. I'm just gonna have it come down. Yeah, let's have it come down. Alright, so I'm just gonna go up. And just kind of have it come out this way then. And again, you can draw whatever you like. Because at this part, at this point, it's pretty simple, right? Just kind of have to follow along. Whatever curve you draw on the outside. And then again, for the fingers, straight first. Come in. And then one in the middle. And then just connect that. Alright, so that is pretty much it. And if you want to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, you can add just one little curve like this. Give it some more shape. Alright, so that is it for this screen, and hope you guys like the way it turned out, and please do comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see me draw. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.